What's going on, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to waterproof a basement, how much it costs, the process, before and after, everything like that. So let's first check out the basement. And just a little warning, this basement's had a lot of water damage. There's a lot of mold. It's going to need quite a bit of work. So get ready. It's pretty much mold all the way around the foundation of the property. And people were actually living here, believe it or not. See the bathroom. There's mold in there. Just the entire foundation, I think there's just like water sitting on the outside. There's black mold. So I have a waterproofing company, and we're going to get some videos of them as well. And what they're going to do is they're going to demo all the drywall, spray down any mold that's there, and then they're going to put a drainage system, I think it's about 6 inches or so, around the entire perimeter of the property, so that any water that comes in is going to be sucked into the drainage system and then kicked into a sump pump. So this is all going to be demoed, mold is going to be sprayed down, and then we're going to have this pretty cool waterproofing system. And we'll get some videos of that. This whole process should take actually only about a week. So I'm looking forward to getting this completely demoed so we can actually start finishing the basement. And we got to finish the kitchen too, but that's a whole nother story.
Started.
Oh, nice. So that's the sump pump right there.
Yeah, this is the battery backup.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put it back on the campus boot.
Battery backup. We got the drain. Okay, so the company finished up the waterproofing system, so let's go check it out.
It should look a little bit different.
All right. So here's the basement, obviously. And what they did is they sprayed mold remediation stuff on the walls to get rid of the mold. They demoed all the drywall. And then they put this drain system all the way around the entire property with a sump pump, as well as a sump pump battery backup. As you can see, it goes all the way across. So any water that comes in will go into this drain, get kicked out to the sump pump, and kick it out into the yard. So here it is. The mold's been sprayed down. Now, obviously, we still have to finish it. I might put a egress window right there to make this an official bedroom. But as you can see, the drain is basically throughout the entire house. It doesn't smell like mold anymore. You still have to remove that oil tank. And actually something to know about this system, so if you want to guess what it costs, you can put that in the comments below. But it wasn't as expensive as you might think. Now, I still need to finish the basement off, which might cost another 20, 30, 40,000 bucks. But as far as the actual system itself, it was only 15,000. And actually, it was funny because the first company, I got 2 estimates on it. I actually got 3, but they took too long, so I didn't really give them a chance. But I got 2 estimates on it. The first company said they would do this all for 30,000. And I said, that sounds a little bit high. And they really wanted me to sign right on the spot. So I said, if you guys can do it for, I think I said 15,000, I would do it. And they said, that's too low, but we can do 20,000, 21,000. And then this company, their initial bid was just like 14 or 15,000. So saved a good amount of money there. And when you're getting a waterproofing system done, watch out for the high pressure sales tactics. You should always get a minimum of 2 bids, ideally more like 3 bids. I probably should have got another bid, but this company that did it had really great reviews, and 15,000 to waterproof an entire property seemed like a good deal, especially when the first one was 30,000. So thanks for watching this video. Definitely subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and I will see you on the next one. All right, bye.